Namaste children, welcome back to English class of Pearl Public School Harpanali. So today I am just going to start a new lesson from your NCB. It's a fifth lesson and a very important lesson. Today I am just going to have a single part of part 1. So there are two parts of this lesson. This is the 100 dresses part 1. In part 1 I am going to split it into 2 to 3 parts. So this is a story of America, and this story has been written by L. Road Easter. So an American writer, author. So he used to write some stories on few communities and the discriminations what happened in the country. This is what he is famous for criticism. So the writer here writes a story named the lesson name is the 100 dresses. So by having a title, by seeing the title, we come to know that this story might be about the 100 dresses. Maybe a person will be having number of dresses, so the story is belonging to 100 dresses. Okay, fine. Similarly, it is a story of 100 dresses, but here the author or the writer has taken the story into a different world where we can find out the discrimination. Still, till today we can find out the discrimination in the society or in the country, in any areas. Even in India, we can find out the discrimination on the basis of caste, on the basis of their particular community, on the basis of their practice. Now we can't find out any a bad practice or discrimination on the basis of color, like racism, what we talk about. Here the writer takes a single character, one who is totally different. She is a girl, 10, 12 years girl, one who is totally different in a place like America. So what was the name of the girl? I'm just talking about a girl that was Wanda Petronsky. Obviously, when you people even get to know or hear such names, Wanda Petronsky, we people laugh at them. What's such a funny name, Wanda Petronsky? Yeah, obviously. Even whenever our names will be used in other countries, the people from abroad or even the foreigners, they keep laughing at our names. The same way here, Wanda Petronsky is a different name. Why? Because she was a Polish girl. Polish girl means a girl one was polishing the shoes. No, not like that. Polish means it's a community, like what we have Hindus, Muslims, is Christians. In the same way, Polish is a community which was belonging to a particular community, like Jews and some other categories. Here there was a history how this Polish people were into the country called America. So probably they even say that they might be the Russian Poles, they might be the German Poles, they might be the Austria Poles. Poles means the people those who migrate. And there are two elements, one we talk about immigrate or migration and immigration. So here immigrate girl, she was an immigrant girl means they just come to a place for the settlement. They didn't go back. If they go back, that is a migration. Okay. Here, Wanda Petronsky was a girl, one was belonging to a Polish community, so she was called as a Polish girl. And she was having a funny name. It was a funny name to the Americans. This is what the story of America I am talking about. Okay. People were laughing at Wanda Petronsky, different name, because she was a Polish community girl, This is what they were having. On the basis of their community, people will be having their names. Wanda Petronsky, a 12-year girl, she used to go to school and she used to sit at the last bench of the classroom. Why she was sitting at the last bench of the classroom? She was very silent girl. She was very innocent. She was not talking to anyone. She was not having any friends. But people keep taunting her, teasing her. They always, every day they used to take the name of Wanda Petronsky and they used to kid her. They used to taunt her. They used to tease her. There were two more major characters in the lesson. Those who kept, teasing. Those who even kept taunting Wanda Petronsky every day in their school life. Those were, one is Peggy, the another one is Maddie. These are the two characters, one is Peggy, another one is Maddie. And Peggy was a very famous and a popular girl in the school campus. Why? Because she was into other parts. All the parts, not only other parts. She was into all the elements like, whatever writing part, she was having more skills into the school campus. So she was very famous and she was participating in all the events like sports, co-curricular activities, cultural and even academic part. So that's what she became very popular in the school campus. And Maddie was the best friend of Peggy. She was in between. She was not above average or she was not even below average. She was at the average level. So Maddie was the best friend of Peggy, and Maddie used to be always with Peggy. And why I have taken these two names here in this part? That is what very important I was talking about. Peggy and Maddie, these two were always teasing Wanda Petronsky, especially on this name Wanda Petronsky. Even when you get the chance to tease someone, definitely you used to say this one, Wanda, something. You may even use few other names to tease a person. The same way, Peggy and Maddie, they used to tease Wanda Petronsky every time, that too in the school campus, and they were remembering Wanda Petronsky only in 2 times in a day. What I am talking about, okay? In a day, they were remembering her only for 2 times. That was at the noon, 12 p.m. or 12:30 p.m. What we took, and the second one, early morning. Early morning before the school begins. Why they were actually remembering Wanda Petronsky only in these 2 times? Early in the morning means early morning before the school begins. They used to find her at the bus station or in the ground or school ground. There won't be any force or there won't be any observation of a teacher in the school campus. So they can, if they want to tease someone, that is the suitable place and that is the suitable time to tease someone. So even we people and you even tease your friends only at the same time when there will be an absence of teacher. So in the same way, these two were finding out major time to tease Wanda Petronsky. They were teasing, obviously. So the lesson begins with a day, Monday. So the lesson starts with a day that is Monday, and Monday, Wanda Petronsky was absent. She was on leave on Monday. She was absent on Monday. Nobody recognized, nobody found even that Wanda Petronsky is not there in the classroom. Nobody. So everybody was busy in their work. Actually, they were busy. They were just doing their work, and nobody even could find that Wanda Petronsky is absent today. And Monday nobody could find, and second even Tuesday. Tuesday also Wanda Petronsky was absent and nobody recognized because they were busy. Even children or teacher, whoever maybe those who were there in the classroom, they even didn't find the absence of Wanda Petronsky. The third day, Wednesday, what we took, okay? Wednesday was noticed by these two girls. Why these 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, they couldn't even tease Wanda Petronsky, and they were just moving out. And Wednesday, what happened? They were waiting at the bus station. There was a path actually. A bus station from their, from the bus station to their school. It was nearly half to 1 kilometer away. So they were waiting there from bus station to till school. They reach, they used to tease Wanda Petronsky on the way. On the way, every time Peggy and Maddie, they used to know, especially this Peggy. Maddie was not, actually she was staying with Peggy. She was not actually into the part of teasing. Peggy was teasing and Maddie was just laughing and she was supporting her to tease. But here Monday and Tuesday they couldn't even find out, and Wednesday what happened? These two found that Wanda Petronsky is absent. Why? They couldn't find out Wanda Petronsky there in the bus station for teasing, and they were late, 5 to 10 minutes late to school. That's what they remember, Wanda Petronsky. So as soon as they came into the classroom, they found even Wanda Petronsky was not there in the classroom. They had a classroom, actually they had a name for their classroom, room number 13. That was the classroom name actually. So this was the story that how this Wanda Petronsky was into the school, and she was sitting at the corner. She was sitting at the last bench. She was having a different muddy shoes, and she was looking ugly, and she was having a single dress. Always she used to have a faded blue color dress. A faded blue color means it was not ironed. So faded means dress which will not be ironed. So she used to wear the same faded blue color dress, but it was clean. It was clean. She was sitting at the last bench. She didn't have any friends. She always used to be single, and whatever she had the work, she used to complete that one. So what about teasing these Peggy and Maddie were doing actually, with Wanda Petronsky. Every time they used to ask a single question. Every time they used to ask a single question to Wanda Petronsky, how many dresses you have in your home? How many dresses you have in your home? That was a question to Wanda Petronsky. Obviously, she used to say the same answer that, I have 100 dresses. That too, 100 pair of dresses in my closet. Closet means it's a place, means it's a cupboard what we talk about, okay, to keep all the things. And she used to say that, Wanda Petronsky, whether she had or she didn't have, we don't know about that one. But Wanda Petronsky used to say the same answer that I have 100 dresses in my closet. That too kept in, arranged on the basis of colors. Okay, that was the first question. How many dresses? And along with that, this was the first question, and the second question they used to, follow the another question. What was that? How many pairs of shoes you have? How many pairs of shoes? They used to ask these two questions for teasing her, and she used to say that I have many pairs of shoes that were kept in a cupboard, different colored and different variety, means complete variety shoes I have in my home. Obviously, everybody would easily find out that Wanda Petronsky didn't have 100 pairs of shoes, dresses, and varieties of shoes in her home. But she used to say the answer that she had 100 pairs of dresses and many pairs of shoes. Why she used to say the wrong answer? Why she used to lie to Peggy and Maddie? Only because of one reason. She got to know that she was discriminated in the society, and she even knew that if I say that I don't have, I know my level or even my reputation would come down. She doesn't want to show that she is suffering from something else. She is suffering from poverty. She doesn't want to show that. She used to say that as I have 100 pairs of dresses and many pairs of shoes. She doesn't want to show herself down. This is what the reason she didn't even say the answer that she didn't have dresses. She used to say that I have 100 dresses. So friends and students, today we'll just, we have discussed about Wanda Petronsky and her brother, even he was studying in the same school. Wanda Petronsky and the character of Wanda Petronsky. There were two more characters in the lesson, Peggy and Maddie, those who were teasing Wanda Petronsky. How Wanda Petronsky was into the school campus and the classroom, and what, she was a polished girl. And the lesson started, as I told you, the lesson starts with the day Monday, Tuesday. These 2 days nobody could remember that, Wanda Petronsky was on leave, and Wednesday they found. Why they have found on Wednesday? Because they didn't get anyone to be teased. So they wanted to tease every day, one or the other day, one or the other person they used to tease, Wednesday they couldn't find out a person to tease, and moreover they were late to the classroom on Wednesday. Because of Wanda Petronsky. They were waiting for Wanda Petronsky in the bus station. Let her come and we start teasing her. They were waiting there in the bus station, but she couldn't come on that day, Wednesday. And these two were late to the classroom, so they remembered Wanda Petronsky is absent today. That too on Wednesday. So these are the major points as we have discussed, today in this session. And she was studying in room number 13. The next part, very interesting story. What actually happened when she used to say that she had 100 dresses and moreover many pairs of shoes. How these two were receiving it, and for the replay or for the answer of Wanda Petronsky, how they were replying, how they were giving a replay, how they were responding, how they even were teasing her on her answer. This was the next part we'll just discuss, and this, part 1 is going to be split into 3 parts, and this is what the first part. Thank you. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ?